Hey y'all, Xavier, and we're back again to another episode of me watching. It's another episode of me watching Hawkeye, the for the MCU. Uh, we're gonna watch episode 4, and so it's been a while since I've watched this. So let me see. What was the description for the last episode? Echoes episode 3. After escaping a new threat, Clint and Kate join forces against an expanding criminal conspiracy. Oh, okay. I think this is the episode where they had the car chase, and then the last scene was the her potential Kate's potential stepdad. Alright, so the last scene was Kate's potential stepdad. Seeing both Clint and Kate in her mother's apartment, or her mother owns a security company, right? And then there was like this tracksuit mafia gang that was once chasing them in the car chase, right? And then like the stepdad, potential stepdad guy, he looks kind of shady, might have been involved with that family member's death. I don't remember his name, but he was like the fourth, and then the grandson was like the sixth or whatever. Something like that. Yeah. Okay. I think yeah. Okay. Alright. So let's get back into it and see what's up.
Nathaniel, what are you doing, buddy?
Oh, they were previously on.
Stay exactly where you are.
Jack, no! What the hell is going on?
Jack, that's his name.
And why is there an Avenger in my dining room?
Hi. Oh my God. You're Archer.
Hawkeye.
Or Clint.
Branding issue, I'm telling you.
Yeah, sure.
Archer.
He's my partner.
We're not partners.
Well, we're friends / partners.
I wouldn't really describe us as friends.
No, you're not friends.
Oh, you'll never get anything out of him. See, CB1 has trouble opening up.
Nobody calls me CB1.
CB1? What?
Probably some early childhood thing. He thinks he doesn't tell me much, but he ends up kind of.
I virtually tell her nothing.
But yeah, I think it's because I'm generally just pretty chill. I'm not like, oh my God, Hawkeye.
Definitely not Joe.
Definitely not Joe, though.
Let me clarify.
Yeah.
She is not a superhero.
Oh, yeah, come on, I know that. I mean, she's pretty good at all this, but...
Natasha Romanoff was pretty damn good at it, wasn't she?
Oh, that's cool.
Always enough to keep you alive.
That's cool. Using his dead friend. Ugh.
But I'm letting you know that I cannot lose Kate. I've lost people before. I know in your line of work, you have to.
I understand. Okay.
So you'll forget this case?
I can't do that. But what I can do is ensure that your daughter stays safe. Okay?
Oh, sneaky.
It's Eleanor. Could you call me back, please? It's urgent.
Is the mom involved? Alright, because Arman was talking to her before about the thing.
Completely obsessed with Clint Barton ever since the attack.
She's awfully composed around her own idol. If I ever met Huey Lewis, I'd be a wreck.
Kate's always been confident. Never had to worry about her on that front.
You're getting that pre-headache look, darling. Let me get you some tea. Would you like something, Kate?
No, thanks.
Oh, they were talking with her right there. Okay, interesting. Interesting tactic.
Was it parties? Just make sure there's plenty of dancing.
Well, my mother doesn't dance.
Oh, really? I beg to differ.
Dance, 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 dance.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Jack Frost nipping
Okay.
to you.
It's kind of cute.
I don't think I've ever seen you like that before.
Wow. A superhero house call and a serenade all in one day.
You know what they say. Life is short. You never know what you're gonna get. What? What did I say? Did I say something wrong? What?
Every time you use one of those aphorisms, they're wrong.
What? No. That can't be right.
Aphorism. Okay. That's a big word for Elmo. Gotta make it Anton fashion, you know. Gotta make do with what you got. I get it, fam. I get it. Use what you got.
It's me saving the holidays.
Is that right?
Get you home in time for the big day. Figured in the meantime we could celebrate. It's a movie marathon night, right? Check this out. I got movies.
That's very thoughtful of you.
It is very thoughtful of her.
Thanks. But yeah, can we put a
Good
pause on that and
acknowledgement.
talk about Sword Boy for a minute? You got good instincts, kid.
What do you mean?
So I did a little digging, and it turns out Salone's a shell company that launders money for the tracksuits.
And Jack DeCane is the CEO.
You sure?
You sure?
Okay, well, we're just gonna have to come up with a plan to take down my mom's fiance's organized crime ring while simultaneously having a heartwarming holiday celebration.
Yeah, very easy to. Light work, light work. Easy peasy.
You got any other cool tricks?
Well, I could knock somebody unconscious with that, like 20 feet away.
No, you can't.
I can use a quarter or a nickel, dime's too light.
Prove it.
What, you want him
Knock you
to knock
unconscious.
you unconscious?
No. I want you to hit something. Fine, live forever without me believing you. I'll just tell every stranger that I see Hawkeye is full of bolts. Whoa.
Ooh, that is very cool.
You gotta show me how you just did that.
That's probably CGI though, but still very cool. This is very cute. A nice little bonding between Hawkeye and Hawkeye Jr.
I'm sorry.
It's all right. It's, when you do what I do for a living,
Comes with the territory.
it's just a game of managing loss, right? So,
Yeah. Loss is inevitable in that line of business. Just gotta deal with it. I guess that's the therapy. And just getting used to it.
Is that where you met the Ronin?
That is where he met the Ronin. Definitely. I wonder if he's gonna tell her the truth. I don't think so. Not right now, at least, if anyway.
It's you, isn't it?
Oh, chief. Oh, she guessed it. Okay.
everybody dealt with the blip in their own way. I continued doing what I was trained to do.
Protect people.
Hurting people. Investigating first, but in the end, my job has always been to hurt people.
You were a hero.
I was a weapon.
Sometimes that's both.
Aimed by the right people, the right targets, so...
You made
That's true.
mistakes.
That's what
but
made
those
my
are
hero.
behind you.
No, it's tied to me.
I made the weapon a hero.
Tied to my family. That's why I'm here.
We got the right people to aim him. He was just a
I
weapon.
can't go home till I fix it.
But I get what he's saying. That seems like a bad move to take it out.
Killing all these people isn't gonna bring your family back.
maybe that's just helpful for him to focus without the noise. He's lost in his own thoughts. Just him alone in the world. Maybe that's why he does that. The taking it out thing.
Yeah, sure, totally. Whatever you want. Yeah, all right. All in? Okay, it's gonna be great. You guys are awesome. Outfits, it's just really awesome.
Yeah, she doesn't believe that a little bit, not even a little bit, not even at all. The things I hate about you. I got the word incorrect, but whatever. The reference is what's important, okay?
Let's get it done.
Hey, can I have my gun back?
Yeah, what do you think?
Can I get my gun back, please? Can I get your gun back? Come on, bro.
Arrow retrieval mission complete.
Oh, yes, thank you so much. Appreciate it.
This is my bag.
Okay.
You didn't bring your own bag?
No, I mean,
My wife gave me this bag. It's embroidered. It says bombshell.
I can see that it's very important to you,
He'll get it back to you. Yeah, I'll make sure of it.
right?
I promise.
Right.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you. Thanks
Beautiful,
so much.
beautiful bag.
Thank you.
She is very protective of that bag. Something's gonna happen to the bag. Come on now. Something's gonna happen to the bag.
Relax, I'm taking the elevator.
I'm sorry, what was that?
Oh, I'm sorry, I wasn't talking to you. Can I tell you a secret?
Please don't do this.
I was talking to an Avenger. He's in my ear.
Yeah, the woman thinks she's...
Yeah, I'm his partner.
I'll just take this back.
I can help you to the door, no problem.
Oh, that's all right. I got it from here.
Okay, are you sure? It's really no problem.
Yeah, he thinks you're...
All right, you take care now.
He thinks you're gone. There, he thinks you're gone. That's why he took his bags.
Get out of there now.
What? Why?
That light's an alarm. It's a silent alarm for people that can't hear.
Oh, it's Maya's apartment.
Maya's apartment. All right, I'm coming. Okay.
Clint, what's going on? Clint? Maya's here.
Yeah, I can see that.
Then why didn't you tell me?
I did. Maya's on the roof with me.
No, Maya is definitely here.
Who the hell am I fighting then?
Little help?
He's gonna be busy. It's
In 1
kind
second.
got something doing.
Incoming.
Oh, is that oh, Florence Pugh's character, her sister. I don't remember what's her sister's name. Black Widow's sister. Oh, that was close. Yeah, that was right. That was right. She knows you can't kill her. She knows. He's a hardened assassin.
I understand the risk. I understand all of that.
I'm not gonna do it.
He doesn't want to lose you.
Do you hear me? Do you hear me?
She's gonna end up helping anyway, but I understand why he's doing this. He doesn't want to lose her. Especially because she's so young. Alright guys, so that was Hawkeye episode 4. So we got to see the Black Widow Natasha's sister. What was her name again? Natasha's sister, MCU. What's that? Yelena, right? Yelena. I had it in the back of my head, but I didn't see it. Yeah. Okay, so Florence Pugh's character Yelena, we saw her in the Black Widow movie, and then we saw at the end of that movie we saw a scene where Julia Louis-Dreyfus's character, I don't remember the name of this for her character, right? She told Yelena about Hawkeye being involved in Black Widow's Natasha's death, and so yeah, you can see now where she is in the Hawkeye series. Okay, bada boom, bada bing, things connecting, and yeah, okay. I don't know who the Rolex is connected to. I don't know, maybe Captain America. I don't know. I know that kind of it's not all come together there, but you know, I'm sure we'll find out. And we saw that the apartment that Rolex was in was Miles' apartment. Okay, yeah, I realized that about a little bit away through. Should I figure that out soon? No, I don't care. I figured it out in enough time. Yeah. Okay, and then what else we see? So we saw the bonding between Clint and Kate. And we saw Jack using aprophisms. Is that aprophisms? Aprophism. The word? Oh, aphorism. How does it pronounce? Oh, no, how that thing is pronounced? Aphorism. Right. We saw Jack using aphorism incorrectly. Maybe that could be a hint or something. I don't know. It could be. Maybe it's like. Maybe him using the aphorisms is a clue or something. Maybe he's from somewhere else, not speaking English, and then the Jack thing. But then Armor knew it, but maybe Armor was in on it. Something. I don't know. Could be something there. So and then we saw Kate and Clint bonded, and then we saw the lappers. Yeah, so this was basically a bonding episode for the first half, and then for the second half of the episode, it was like the apartment with the whole fight scene, and then yeah, okay. So I really like that. Wait, did anything happen to her back? To the lady's back? I hope not. I don't think so. It looked fine. You know, I hope she gets her back because the back was important to her. Her wife gave it to her. But yeah, apart from that, I really like this episode. It just super chill for the first part, and then the action got me going, and I like that. You know, we're getting to see some. That's connect. We saw that Jack is involved with the tracksuit, which I thought. Well, I don't know if you I didn't know if I thought exactly that he was involved with the tracksuits, but I know he was involved in this whole thing. There was something deeper with him. So yeah, we got that. So, and then we saw, you know, things coming together a little bit. With the Rolex, that's another thing. And then we saw Yelena come in. So those things coming together. We have 2 episodes left, and can't wait to see that. Can't wait. You know, definitely looking forward to the last episodes. It looks like it could be building up something good. Oh, it's been a nice little build up, you know, moving towards something. Hope it pays off, because I like where this is going so far. We see the Tracksuit Mafia, with the old Avengers Hawkeye gear. We see Yelena coming in to tie into the Black Widow movie. See Hawkeye Jr. with Kate Bishop and her mother, security company, with Jack involved in the Tracksuit Mafia, and Maya, whose father was killed by Ronin, who was Hawkeye, and then we see there was this character who knew Maya when she was young, who was the boss, who saw when she was young. You know, he's gonna come in later in one of these last 2 episodes, probably the next episode. And he's gonna be involved a lot in that episode. So, you know, cooking up good. I hope it tastes good at the end. They were cooking, we're cooking. Let's see. You know, so catch me in the next episode. Bye.